Chapter 1. Genealogical structure, the kinship system. B. Defines Magico-Religious character of the affinal relationship. The affinity system that the Batak have involved and which they still maintain has such ramifications extends so far back in time and is so dispersed geographically that neither love, reverence nor interest could have sustained it had there not been a contributory condition of a magico-religious nature. This aspect will only be touched upon here sufficiently for an understanding of the discussion that follows. It is not enough to say that the Boru should have an attitude of reverence towards its hula-hula, that it should treat it with respect, or that a hula-hula can reflect luster and glory on its Boru. The hula-hula is a source of supernatural power, of individual vitality for its Boru. The Boru sees the members of its hula-hula as being endowed with sahala, the special power which can be regarded as a rich, more than usually potent force of the Tondi soul. A beneficial and salutary influence for the Boru can emanate from this sahala. At the same time, however, its power creates fear and respect for it. This means that the Boru should avoid doing anything that would be harmful or offensive to its hula-hula, and the Boru never omits to show gratitude to the powers received from its hula-hula. A person should not quarrel with the near relative hula-hula. He should fear its Tondi soul first. Hula-hula so jadi badan, biarkan mata dinai. Should a Boru have cause for complaint about its family law, it will not stand too much on its right hand, if as can so easily happen. Angry words are spoken accidentally on both sides, then the upshot will be an admission by the Boru that it was in the wrong and will endeavor to restore harmony by offering an atonement meal. Certainly, the Hula is a source of no trifling gifts. If a Boru does not fare as well in life as it would wish to, if no children are born, if a disaster like continuous sickness strikes it, if there is a death in the family, if there is a fire, if, to put it in a nutshell, a pursuit by the evil powers of its fate, so in the arena, that it dons to its hula with disargent entities, and a kelek, and disreverential obeisances, so in order that some of the hula's sahala may be reflected upon it, and thereby repose its defense against the powers of evil that assail it, to express it in the Batak language as a manupak to dinipag hula-hulaun manuai sahalana, so that the Tondi of the family in law will give help to back and the sahala pour forth its benevolent felicity to her. It is sometimes said that in the mortal world the hula-hula is the wakil ni Bata, the puti of High God, for the issue of his daughters, the Yanakon. It is the Pangidoan. It is the Pangidoan or Pachalawat Pasu-Pasu di Boguna, the group of people to whom the Bogu specially addresses itself for blessings Pasu-Pasu, if it is in need, and from who it does indeed obtain them. Following is an example of a request to a hula-hula, which a woman's husband will respectfully address to his family-in-law if she is childless, the greatest misfortune that can befall her. Before trying any other expedients, they will turn to her kinsmen, her brothers or parents who are her husband's family-in-law. By nago ami tu jolo muna, tung naungol-ngolan do kohanami na laos somak dakdanak bogo munaon. Jadi, ia tung hasala-sala nami, pamanopoti maami nuain tu hamuga janami, ba manupak masahala muna do di muna, say dilon de batama hagabeon di ami yanak konmon ninna. The reason that we have come to you is because we have waited for a long time And now we are distressed because your daughter has not had any children. Perhaps we have offended you, and so we have come now to acknowledge your guilt. Manopoti to your Lord. Let your Sahala and your Todi grant us that help, and may God give us your children-in-law, the children for whom we long. And treaties such as this, to reinforce the individual life-giving power by which children and other fortune can be obtained, are made in the first instance to the actual family of the barren wife, the Burgunahul. If they are of no avail, the wife, her parents and brothers turn to the hula of her mother. However, should the daughter see from his oracular signs that it is necessary to resort the hula on the father's mother's side, or to find still further removed, then this will be done. If the misfortune affects not only the wife but also another member of the family or the entire family, then for preference all will offer the respectful obeisances soba to the hula of the husband's mother, or to that of his father's mother, if there should be good person for doing so, if for example the mother's kinship group is small or poor.